Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on fingerprint animation. So as you can see, when I scan my fingerprint, it just unlocked. We don't have here this characteristical animation, but we can activate it by going to the settings, then find biometrics and the security. Next you have to tap on the fingerprint, input your currently locked method, and then you have to go right here and tap to show animation when unlocking. We can also change this feature to get it always on display. And right now when we lock our device and when we try to unlock, we can see this animation coming underneath our finger. So that's how we can turn it on. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!